In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to make all-in-one Discord bot with no coding using Replited. By the end, you'll have a working bot generated by AI without writing a single line of code yourself. Start by heading to Replit and signing in so your work saves automatically. On the homepage, open the built-in AI chatbot. This assistant can scaffold entire projects for you. In the chat, clearly describe the bot you want. Say that you need an all-in-one Discord bot and list a few features you care about, like moderation, fun commands, or simple utilities. The clearer your prompt, the better the starting project the assistant will create. When the assistant finishes, open the generated bot project. You'll see a ready-made workspace with files, dependencies, and a run button. Take a quick look around so you understand what's included. Even if you don't code, it helps to know where your main script and environment configuration live. The project may already include commands and a structure for adding more later, all set up by the AI. At this point, the Replit agent will ask for two things: your Discord bot token and your application's client ID. These act like credentials that let the code connect to Discord. Keep them private at all times. Never paste them into public chats or commit them to code. In Replit, use the secrets or environment variable feature when possible, so the values stay hidden. To get those credentials, go to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. Give it a clear name so you recognize it later. Inside the application, create a bot user. This is the identity your bot will use when it connects. The portal keeps your application details organized so you can come back anytime to adjust settings, permissions, or descriptions. Now locate your client ID in the application's information section and find the bot token under the bot settings. Copy the client ID, and when you reveal the token, copy it once and store it securely. If it's ever exposed, reset it immediately. Treat this token like a password. It grants access to your bot. Return to Replit and provide the client ID and token when the agent asks, ideally via secrets. The assistant will plug them into the project, finish any remaining setup, and get your bot ready to run. When you press run, watch the logs for a confirmation that the bot is online. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.